In the new T7 Diaphragm Valve series, we've combined our many years of experience and the high performance of our quality standards. During the development of the valve, state-of-the-art computer programs were used, which, among other issues, simulated the flow behavior. Increasing the nominal pressure provides even more safety at the performance limits. The ergonomically shaped, non-slip handwheel enables easy and safe operation with one hand only. The prayer labeling system is reducing the risk of confusion through different color coding and can be personalized too. The handwheel can be secured against unintentional operation using a padlock. The visual position indicator provides reliable information on the valve opening status at any time. The torque limiter prevents the handwheel from being over-torqued and thus protects the diaphragm. In case the valve is operated at full open position for longer periods, an end stop ensures that the valve does not get stuck. If the valve is turned to the side according to the markings on the body, complete self-drainage is ensured when the pipeline is installed with a 2% slope. For identification purposes, all installed components carry a visible marking that can be read without disassembling the valve. Depending on the application, the valves of the T7 series are available in different materials. The different designs and the combinability of the IBG PVC fitting assortment ensure a safe connection with the pipe system. Information about the available automation components can be found on our website. Diaphragm Valve T7 for the safe control of your plant.